Imagine the entire planet losing oxygen for 5 seconds. What would really happen? Oxygen makes up just 21% of the air, yet it is the key to life. 5 seconds feels harmless to us, but for the planet, it would be catastrophic. In just 5 seconds, enormous structures made of concrete would collapse instantly. Without oxygen, untreated metal would weld itself together in a single instant. With the ozone layer gone, ultraviolet radiation would strike us instantly. A sudden loss of air pressure would rupture our inner ears instantly. With no oxygen, every combustion engine would die instantly. Planes would fall. With fewer particles to scatter sunlight, the sky would turn dark almost instantly. 45% of Earth's crust is oxygen. Remove it, and the ground collapses. The crust would crumble endlessly, pulling everything down with it. Eventually, the crust would fail entirely, sending everything into freefall. With the crust gone, everything on Earth would plunge into a silent, endless fall. Luckily, oxygen will never vanish like this. You can breathe easily, knowing you're safe. Oxygen keeps life running, and the world is not going anywhere.